we guide you through how to verify your Skrill account. First, sign into your Skrill account and click your profile or account settings. And look for the verification section and start the identity verification process. Enter your personal details exactly as they appear on your government-issued ID, then upload a clear photo of a valid passport, driver's license, or national ID. If Skrills ask for address verification, upload a recent utility bill, bank statement, or other accepted proof of address that matches the information on your account. In some cases, you'll also be asked to complete a selfie or facial verification by following the on-screen instructions. Double-check that all your uploaded documents are clear, complete, and not expired before submitting them. Skrill will review your information, and verification can take anywhere from a few minutes to several business days, depending on your account and region. Once your account is verified, you will receive a confirmation email or notification giving you access to higher transaction limits and additional account features. If your verification is rejected, review the reason provided, correct any issues, and submit your documents again.